Okay, there's another question for Sierra Delta of RNE and REE Review Hub. Sabi sa kanyang tanong ay, which of the following closely related to the Allenbert's theorem o yung tinatawag na the Allenbert's principle? Yan, sino yung closely related sa kanya? Okay? Letter A, Newton's first law of motion. Letter B, Newton's law of cooling. Letter C, Newton's law of motion. Letter D, Newton's law of attraction. Ayan. So, i-explain po natin yan, ano? Yung mga Newton's law na yan, mga kawerpa. No? Yung Newton's law of cooling sa, ano yan, dinidiscuss yan sa differential equation. I remember. Meron siyang equation na na-devise si Newton dyan. But this is actually a related question from engineering science. Sa ESAS po ito lumabas. No? Lumabas po ito sa ESAS. And this is my answer to this particular question. Okay. Actually, it is a rectilinear translation or rectilinear motion. No? The Allenbert's principle. The resultant of the external forces and the kinetic reaction known as the reverse effective force acting on a body equals to zero. Ayan po ang the Allenbert's principle. No? Yung daw resultant ng external forces at ng kinetic reaction na tinatawag na reverse effective force acting on a body, zero lang daw po yun. Ano? Okay, sige. So, kung makikita nyo dyan, mga kawerpa, no? So, meron tayong sasakyan dyan na, ano yan, tow truck yata yan, partner, no? So, meron tayong sasakyan dyan, meron kang external force P, no? Kung titingnan nyo yung monitor ninyo, yan ay papunta sa kanan, no? Tapos, meron kang makikita dyan sa bandang gulong, sa unahan, yung ating frictional force. At, sabi ni D. Allenbert's, no? So, yan ang kanyang impending motion ay papunta sa kanan. Meron po tayong impending na reverse effective force kung tawagin. Yan po ay reverse naman. Kung ang sasakyan mo ay papunta sa kanan, may tinatawag na reverse effective force na papunta sa kaliwa, mga kawerpa, no? Kumbaga, same direction siya ng frictional force. Kaya, pagka nag-summation of forces ka dyan, you have your P minus reverse effective force minus the frictional force is equal to 0. Ano ba, sir, yung reverse effective force? That is our MA. M times A. Actually, force din yung reverse effective force. Force yan. That's equal to MA. Ano ba yung M? Yun yung mass. Kaya, di ba ang mass, weight over G? Kasi ang weight is equal to mg, di ba? Kaya makikita nyo dyan, ang ating mass ay weight over G, the acceleration due to gravity. Okay, multiplied by the acceleration. Okay, so let's have further explanation, partner. Ayan, ito ang Newton's law of motion. Tingnan natin, ha? Ayan, ang ganda ng ano natin, pang elementary, partner, no? So, hindi ko makita dito. 100% mo, partner. Babasahin natin dito. Ayan. Ayan na. At kanila nakikita, partner. O, sabi sa first law, okay, ang sabi, first law, every body remains in a state of rest or uniform motion unless acted upon by net external force. Ayun, no? Ibig sabihin, ito yung law of inertia. No? The body at rest will remain at rest. A body in motion will remain in motion unless acted upon by external force. Yan, law of inertia ang tawag dyan. Ano naman yung pangalawang law? The amount of acceleration of a body is proportional to the acting force and inversely proportional to the mass of the body. Ayun. Yun na. Makikita nyo, may F is equal to MA. No? Yan yung second law. Ano naman yung third law? For every action, there is an equal but opposite reaction. Ito actually yung law of interaction ni Isaac Newton. Ano, mga kawerpa? Oh, more or less, nakikita nyo na kung anong letter ang sagot, ha? Okay. Next. Ayan. So, ito po yung law of motion. Yan po, yung law of inertia. A body at rest will remain at rest. Or in motion at that constant velocity unless acted upon by some unbalanced external force. Next. Newton's second law. The acceleration of a body is directly proportional to the net force acting on it and inversely proportional to the mass. Yan po, yung law of acceleration yan in Newton's. Next. Meron naman tayong third law, sabi niya, law of action and reaction. Sa ibang libro, tawag nila dyan, law of interaction. Okay? So, for every force that acts on a body, there is a second force equal in magnitude and opposite in direction. No? So, yun po ang ibig sabihin ng Newton's third law. Okay? Newton's third law. Next, actually, meron pang isa. Yung Newton's law of gravitation. Sabi niya, every particle in the universe attract. Every particle with a force which is directly proportional to the product of the masses of two particles and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between the center of the mass. Makita nyo yung force is equal to G, M1 times M2. Those are the masses all over S squared, which is the distance between the two mass. No? Okay? Let's say, yung mga planet natin, no, mayroong mga force of attraction and repulsion yan. No? Yung mga law of gravitation yan. Okay? So, therefore, ano ang sagot natin? Next slide, partner. Ayan ang sagot natin. The Allenberg's principle, alternative form of Newton's. Ano sabi, partner? Second law, which is the law of acceleration, mga kawerpa. No? Law of acceleration yan. Alternative form of Newton's second law of motion, stated by the 18th century French polymath Jean Le Rond de Alembert. In the effect, the principle reduces the problem in dynamics to a problem in statics. Ayan. So, ang sagot natin, second law, which is the law of acceleration. No? Sabi ni law of acceleration, second Newton law, sabi niya, the acceleration is equal to, okay, pakita natin, partner. Acceleration is equal to the force F over M. Ano? Okay? Sabi nga nung aking teacher, father over mother is equal to anak. Ayan. Medyo may pagka-berde lang, no? Okay, mga kawerpa. Okay, so yan po yung ating equation, no? Second law ni Newton. Yan. Okay, closely related kay D'Alembert's principle yan, mga kawerpa. Okay, next question of the day. Okay, sige. Thank you for that question.